The angle of prism is A. One of its refracting surface is silvered. Light rays falling at an angle of incidence 2A on the first surface returns through the same path after suffering reflection on the silvered surface. The refractive index is mu of the prism is. We have to find out the refractive index. If I consider this prism of side A, B, C, now let us consider AC side is silvered. The light ray is passing through AB, okay, then it passes, this is the normal, then it deviates and it passes somewhat like this, okay, it passes somewhat like this, and from AC it again reflects and again retraces its original path, okay. When a light ray retraces its original path, there can only be one scenario. Consider this surface which is silvered, okay, the incident ray and the reflected ray in this scenario are overlapping each other with what is the same thing that is happening in case of prism. This is possible only in one case, when the angle of incidence is 0, okay, then only the incident ray and the reflected ray will overlap each other, okay. If the angle of incidence is 0, it means that the incident ray is passing through the normal, okay. It means that this angle over here will be equal to 90 degree, okay. This angle over here will be equal to 90 degree. This angle is equal to A, so this angle over here will be equal to 90 minus A, okay. This angle over here will be equal to 90 minus A, and this angle again comes out to be A, okay. So an angle of incidence over here is equal to 2A, and angle of incidence over here is equal to 2A, and angle of refraction over here is A. Refractive index, we have to find out the refractive index, so mu is equal to sin A, sin I by sin R. So when I substitute the value, mu over here will be equal to sin 2A divided by sin A. So this part can be written as, mu can be written as sin 2A will be equal to 2 sin A cos A divided by sin A. So sin A will get cancelled out, sin A will get cancelled out. Refractive index will be equal to 2 cos A. So over here it will be equal to option number B, which is equal to 2 cos A.